everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are Zara hauling. Couldn't help myself, I'm sorry. So the Zara website is a little bit hit and miss at the moment, I'm not gonna lie. There are some things that I have obviously bought that I absolutely love, but there are some things that I saw on the Zara website and I was like, no, that should not be a thing. Why is that a thing? So think of this as my edit of everything that is good on Zara at the moment. It's not the biggest haul, so I don't really know what that says. But yeah, I picked up a few bits for the springtime, which I'm so excited to get wearing. One thing I already have been wearing, and you will have seen it in the vlogs, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna get that out of the way now. So this is really hard to hold up, harder than I expected, but it's a play suit. It's almost like a denim look play suit, but it feels so soft. So I wouldn't really call it a denim, maybe a brushed denim, or it's like peached or something like that, which makes it super soft. Feels lovely to wear. I am gonna get so much wear out of this. I think this would look great with black tights and black boots whilst it is colder, but then the other day it was very warm in Brighton and I did just wear this with bare legs and it looked so good. I wore it with my snake print boots and I just loved it. So yeah, that I have already tried on. I know I like it. Yeah, it is great. Would highly recommend it. It's also got this tie bit around the middle, which is going to be basically impossible to show you, but instead of having like a tie elasticated bit on the outside and the tie bit kind of comes out of the jumpsuit on the outside, it actually does it on the inside so that you can kind of pull the play suit on, tie the waist and then do your buttons up as normal, and it still cinches in but you can't actually see the tie, which is just so nice. It keeps the whole playsuit looking so neat. Yeah, I just really like that effect, because it is annoying if you have something that's buttoned down and it doesn't have a tie and then it just falls completely straight, and not everyone's body falls like that, so it doesn't really work. And then it would also make it very long as well, so if you're shorter, the tie waist allows you to kind of like hike it up a little bit. And if you do have a tie waist on a button down, it can often look messy and just doesn't really work. So I just really love the design of it. It's very timeless and the fit of it is just great, and I really appreciate the design of it. I just think it's really clever and I wish more brands would make clothes, especially play suits and dresses like that. So onto the rest of the haul with things that you haven't seen yet. I decided to pick up a white shirt. I do have one white shirt, but it's a slightly different fit to this, and this kind of has more like of an angular collar. I think it's a little bit smarter, and I did need a spare white shirt because my other one, because I wear it so much, is always in the wash and it's kind of a little bit annoying. And I think going in summer they'll be really handy to have, and it'll be good to have too. So I picked this up. I'm excited to see how it fits. It feels very soft. It almost looks like it's got a sheen to it. And it's got a really big large pocket on the front as well. I think it's made to be like quite oversized. I got it in a small, and I really love the fact that it has like gold detailing along the cuffs, and it has really big cuffs as well. I feel like it's made to be like almost like a men's shirt, like you've stolen a dude's shirt, and I really like that. I just love the collar. I think it's so like cute. It's very like pointy on the collar. It's very sweet. Really excited to try that on. So this is the white shirt. It is see-through, so something to bear in mind if that is something that really bugs you, if you like your shirts to be more opaque. It's a bit see-through, if I'm honest. Feels lovely. It feels quite silky. I'm interested to find out what the material for this is, because it might just be one of those ones that's like nice and silky but makes you sweat like a biatch. I really like the fit of it. It just fits perfectly. I'm really happy with it. It's got like a nice like split at the side and then a really nice long back. It's just so pretty. I think at first I was kind of like, not sure, but actually it's really growing on me. I love the asymmetric, I'm gonna go with asymmetric hem. And yeah, it just feels great. I think it looks really nice with these jeans as well. I've got some nice chunky boots on. This is kind of how I would style it. I like the more kind of like formal parts of the shirt, but then like the asymmetric hem is kind of messy, and that works really nicely with the ripped jeans as well. I really like this actually. I thought this would be one of the things that I would send back. No, oh god. RIP bank balance. The next item is the one that actually got me onto the Zara website in the first place. This is going to be really hard to show you because it's black, and there's just a lot of black going on right now, so this is basically impossible, but it's like a puffy sleeved top. It's got more of a like square cut to it, and it's quite fitted, long sleeved, a little bit cropped, and I'm really excited to have this in my wardrobe. I've been looking for something like this for a little while. I would also love to have a dress like this. I did have one a few years ago from Topshop, but sadly it doesn't fit me anymore. But I think like having a top version of it is actually so much more wearable, and it's a much easier way to incorporate the puffy sleeve trend into your wardrobe. So I'm really excited to get styling this up. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this haul so that I can start wearing.
This is the black puffy sleeved top. It's very cute. I've paired it with my black mom jeans just because I felt like skinny jeans were a bit of an obvious choice, and I wanted to see what it was like because it's more fitted and more girly on top. I wanted to see what it was like paired with something that's a little bit more, I don't want to use the word androgynous, just a little bit like looser and kind of more like slouchy. I wanted to see what that juxtaposition looked like. And then I've also got these Topshop snake print flats just for a little bit of kind of like interest. It also is kind of like ties in with the feminine vibes of the top. I think this outfit would look really great with heels as well, but I just wanted to give you like a nice daytime option for what you could pair with this top. I think this is probably the thing from the haul I'm most on the fence about, if I'm honest, and it was the one I was most excited about. Got a nice low back there. It works with my tattoo perfectly. I'll let you know in the info box what I decide on this one.
Then we have another shirt. This is more of a like silk material, and I don't actually own a black shirt, like a plain black shirt. I think I own a sheer black shirt, which is also from Zara, but I don't own like a plain one. And I've just been wearing shirts so much recently, and I felt like this was really missing in my wardrobe. Oh, it's 100% silk. Yeah, when I said silky, really meant it. This style of shirt on Zara is meant to be more fitted, but as you guys will know, I really like an oversized, very baggy shirt. So I sized up basically like 2 sizes in this. So I'm gonna see how this works. I've always shied away from wearing black shirts a little bit, especially smart ones like this, because I used to work at a company where our event staff would wear smart blacks. So you would have to wear like a shirt like this and then black trousers, and I always just look at outfits that are like all black with a black shirt, and I just think of like our bar staff and our waiting staff. So it's always kind of like made me steer away from it. A bit like with the colour navy blue, it was my school uniform colour, so I just think of like my school days, which is definitely not a time I want to reflect on often. One of those things that just reminds me of uniform in a way. But I'm excited to style it up with some denim. I wear a lot of lighter denim now, whereas I used to wear all black denim, and I think it's going to look so good with like very like light washed denim in the summer. Like a pair of light wash vintage Levi's, my vintage Levi's, are going to look so good with that shirt, so I'm really excited for that. I can't imagine what this would look like if it was like in my actual size. It doesn't have a structure to it, so I don't understand how this will work if it was fitted. So weird. So I got this in a large because I was like looking at the website, I was like, just looks very kind of like, just looks very short, just looks very fitted. Not really into that, but really like the shirt as a whole. Like I love the kind of like sleeves of it. They've got a split there, it's really cute. I like how floaty it is. I like the dip hem at the back. This is one of those that I think I will probably mull over for a few days before I decide if I'm going to keep it or send it back. I'm going to like try it on with a few things and just see how it works. Like I would love to know your thoughts on black shirts. I've just never been so much of a black shirt person. I prefer white shirts as a whole, but I would love to know your thoughts. Then we have a little bit of knitwear that I picked up, and this is more for the summertime. I can see myself getting so much wear out of this in the summer. It's this like wide net, long kind of like bell sleeved crochet knit jumper in this gorgeous like rusty tan colour, and I think this is going to look so good with lots of my white denim over the course of the summer. It will look good with my like blue and black denim as well, but white denim I think in particular looks very, very good with this colour. And just with like little shorts in the summertime, I think it's going to be so cute. I do have a trip coming up very, very soon, which I'm going to be seeing some sun, so I am very excited. I'll pack this with me so I can start wearing it a little bit earlier. So this is the tan crochet knit top. I really like it. I think it's very cute. I've kind of just pulled it a little bit off shoulder just because I think that kind of really suits the top. Like it just looks quite good being worn that way. If you did want to wear it more off the shoulder, I would say size up. It's looking quite like reddy on camera. It's not that red, it's more of a like brownie orange. But yeah, I just think this will look really, really cute in the summer with like a white denim skirt, white shorts. Like I think this just thrown over like a bikini would just look really, really cute. So yeah, I just think it's gonna be a really good like summer piece. So I thought I'd pick it up now before it sells out. Then I have a couple of skirts that I picked up, and I'm so excited for these because I just think they're gonna work so well through until basically the end of autumn, I think. Like the colours on them are very kind of like transitional, trans-seasonal. They transition well across seasons is what I'm trying to say. But this one I think I'm most excited about. It's so beautiful. It's like this green, it's like a greeny goldy. It's actually making my eyes go funny looking at it. It's very, very green under studio light. And I just love how small the leopard print detailing on it is, so it's not too in your face, whereas my other leopard print skirt, it's very in your face. And then the midi dress I have that is leopard print is very traditional leopard print, so this is more of a subtle leopard print. It's almost like from afar, just tiny little kind of dots. But the thing I really love about this skirt, it's like a waterfall style in the way that it kind of falls and sits and is cut, and it's just absolutely stunning. So it's longer, it's like longer like this on each side, and then it kind of goes up in the middle, which is just, I don't really own anything like this, and it's such a pretty fit. It looks really good with this roll neck. I may have already tried this on. Okay, so skirt number 1. My fave, it's so pretty. Love it. You're probably gonna get sick of these boots soon, but this is how I would style it for winter. It's cold and my feet need the boots. Yeah, it's just so pretty. So you can see what I was saying about how it flows. It's got this kind of like waterfall effect. So beautiful. I had it with this roll neck that I was wearing earlier. But I think they work really beautifully together. It makes like a nice wintry outfit because the like detailing on the skirt is black. It kind of works nicely with the boots and the jumper. So you can see what I was saying now about it just having a slight yellowiness to it in the light. It looks green from afar, but there is just a slight yellowiness to it. Then the next skirt is a little bit more summery, but it still has like a black base to it, which is very handy for making it kind of wearable between seasons. It's got like reds and mint greens and oranges running through it. It's really, really pretty. I really like the style of this skirt as well. It's not elasticated around the waist. It actually has button-ups here, and it just flows really, really nicely. I actually am going to size down in this, I think. However, I do always like having room to eat in my clothing and room to like be bloated and eat lots of pizza whilst I'm away in the summer. So I'm kind of toying between the medium or the small. But yeah, I just love the way it falls. I love the fact that it has like a side split as well, which ultimately makes it a lot more flattering. It also has a split at the front as well, which for me and my little legs, I just think is so flattering. I really, really love it. And yeah, I just think it's going to be great for now, but also throughout the seasons as well. It's so beautiful. I really do love a midi skirt. I'm so excited to have these 2 skirts in my wardrobe. It makes me very excited for the spring and summertime. So this is skirt number 2. Have an Angie leg going on because I just love doing that when there's a split in the skirt, just to let you all know there is a split in the skirt. I love this. I just think that it is so gorgeous. It just falls really, really nicely over the hips. Yeah, it's just really pretty. I think it works really nicely as a transitional like winter to spring floral piece. Yeah, I've just paired it with the same roll neck again. Chunky boots. Love it. Will be so gorgeous in the summer with like a black kind of like bandeau or like a sleeveless high neck kind of thing. I have one of those from Zara that would look so cute with this. I would definitely say just get your regular size. I sized up because it doesn't have an elasticated waist, so I wasn't sure what it was going to be like in terms of getting it over my hips. It has button up. I didn't realise all of these would be like kind of able to unbutton, so yeah, you don't have to worry about if you've got like more of a curve to your hips getting over, because the reason that stops me buying smalls in a lot of things on my bottom half is because I don't know if it's going to fit over my ass. Why am I like this? The sizing in this is fairly like regular. Just get your regular size. I'm just gonna go now. Bye. I then picked up a pair of jeans. I've gone a bit denim crazy recently, I feel like, but I never used to like wearing jeans. I always used to wear the same jeans and I'd always feel very self-conscious in jeans. More recently I've just been absolutely loving them. I feel so right in denim at the moment, especially like a light blue mixed with black. I think it's because I wear so much white and black in my wardrobe, especially on my top half, that I just really love the texture and kind of colour that denim can add to the bottom half. But anyway, I picked up these jeans. They're kind of like a straight leg, but then they've got this distressing at the bottom, which I think is really cool. I don't own anything like this. And they are ripped at the knees, and I've been missing a pair of ripped jeans. I just think this pair is really gorgeous in terms of the detailing as well. Like there's lots of like little bits of distressing on them. The pocket line is all kind of like frayed and distressed as well, and then across the top also, and I just really like that. I'm quite like a messy person, like even when I try and look put together, I never really like to look too polished, so these jeans just like spoke to me. Yeah, I really, really like them. I love the wash of them as well. They're just really beautiful. So I've paired these blue ripped jeans with my black chunky boots. I really like the way, because the sides of the jeans are longer, it like hangs over the boot but only at the side. I think it's cute. I forgot what low-rise jean life was like. I don't really know how to tuck things, but I'm a smart kid, I'll figure it out. These jeans are a winner, 100%. And then finally we have a pair of shoes. These are like a brown snake print, and we all know I love snake print, and I love this style of sandal as well. I have my YSL flats, which are kind of like tan colour. They're very plain on the top, a little bit distressed from my own doing. Like when I see other people's, I'm like, oh, that's what they're meant to look like, because they look good really distressed and as they wear anyway. But yeah, I love those to bits, and I love the style of them. I just think they're so flattering on the feet, and instead of buying the same pair in like a trend colour, I thought I'd just pick these Zara ones up because they are very, very, very similar. I think they also do these in a tan as well. They're basically like dupes of the YSL sandals, so I will link kind of all the sandals that are a bit like that in the info box in case you want to go and check them out. I might also do an edit of like other Zara bits that I didn't pick up that I'm loving on my blog, and let me know if you would like to see things like that, because obviously I see so much stuff that I love on these websites, but I don't want to like buy everything. If anything, I'm trying to buy slightly less. So yeah, let me know if you would like to see, in addition to my hauls, like an edit of other things that I've been loving, or like the things that come in various different colours, because I would love to put that together for you guys. I love these, they are beautiful. I can't wait to get wearing them. I think they're gonna look so cool with like my blue denim over the summer. So these are the snake print shoes. I really like them. They're so cute. They go really nicely with the top from this haul as well. I really like it. It's very cute. So this is like a nice wintry summer casual outfit. Very cute. Don't feel too uncomfortable so far. Nothing seems to be like red flagging me that it's gonna be rubbing, so that is excellent. I actually have this in the box still to send back. I picked up this little bag, which is so pretty. So pretty. It's like shell designed. However, it's already missing bits of shell, and I'm really disappointed in that. So that is going to be going back, but I did think it was very, very cute and would have been really nice for like holidays in the summer, but no. Anyway, I am gonna hop along now. If there is anything I decide to return after doing the try-ons, then I will put that information in the info box below for you guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this haul and you're all having a lovely day, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye. Experience. Let's change my jumper. Oh, baby, could have tied both up. Why is this so difficult? This should not be this hard. I like the smart kind of like the smartness. Skirt gets a thumbs up. I'm just gonna get it in a small and sharp now. My nail varnish, however, really doesn't go with these shoes. I'm gonna have to change that before summer.